Embracing the world's global grassroots environmental movement is called Green Friends. Green Friends promotes environmental awareness and local participation in conservation efforts around the world. Green Friends stands apart from other conservation movements in its baseline philosophy that we must act to save the environment, not because our own lives depend on it, but because nature is the mother of humanity and all living beings, and as such, it is our responsibility to take care for her. Apart from planting trees, Green Friends activities include permaculture, organic food production, and beekeeping. Green Friends volunteers also build eco-friendly dwellings, work with solar energy, promote the use of efficient microorganisms or EM, recycle, and reduce waste. To reconnect people with nature, Green Friends conducts workshops, nature retreats, and group meditation in forests and other natural settings. But above all, Green Friends plants trees. A member organization of the United Nations Billion Tree Campaign, Green Friends has planted more than 1 million trees globally since 2001. Throughout the world, Amma's main centers are working to become exemplary educational ecological sites. Ultimately, they aim to function as self-sustaining eco-communities. By encouraging sustainable living principles in all Amrita institutions, Amma and her volunteers are sowing the seeds of a better future. In France, in a project supported by the European Commission DG Education and Culture, Amma's volunteers built a walk-in bee sanctuary that offers the educational experience of living with bees. Throughout her life, Amma has been expressing deep concern for the environment. She has publicly called on all of her admirers and devotees to take concrete steps toward the restoration of nature's delicate balance.